Welcome back to my channel, Minnie and Moa. So on today's video I'm going to be doing a little mini tour of our entryway and showing you how I've decorated it for Easter spring this year. Isn't that right, Minnie? Come here, come here. She's never on in the beginning of a video usually. Oh, here she is. This is my little friend. Oh, don't lick me fingers, Minnie. So, oh, she smells of dog food. Oh, Minnie. She smells so good, don't you? So yes, I'm going to be showing you just how I've decorated our entryway on today's video. And also I just want to mention that I now have, or we have, a PO box address. So if you want to send any mail, any photos, anything, then you can do that now. The address will be down below in the description box. Thank you to the people who have already sent me some lovely letters and some pictures of their dogs for my little pooch to look at. So she has some actual friends now, don't you? So we're going to probably make a little gallery of her friends. Minnie, look at the camera. Minnie, this way. Minnie, Minnie, Minnie. It's because she's look. There, the camera's there. She's looking for rabbits out the window because she keeps frightening them off, don't you? So anybody who also lives in the UK will know how gorgeous the weather's been today. So I hope we've managed to get a chance to enjoy it like we have. So on with the video.
So the colours for this room are inspired by these gorgeous vintage plates I've just picked up from the charity shop. And I also picked up this throw which was from the pound shop. You might remember last year I picked up some in like a teal duck egg colour which I used on my Easter table display. So I was really pleased when I spotted that there was one of these there. So I've just laid this on my dresser just as a nice kind of colourful base just to help tie in the bits of sunshine yellow mustard that I'm going to have around this room for a change. Instead of doing this room in the usual colours I seem to stick to just green and white, and so I thought I'd add a little bit colour, and it's not costing anything. So I've just put some of my DIYs on here. I'll leave a link down below if you want to see where how I made this DIY bunny, which I'm just lifting up onto a little bowl because it was just a bit too low. And I've also got my DIY linen bunny there and my little display in the middle. And then on my old chair here I've just got some of my bunny fabric and a cushion from IKEA and a DIY cushion. And then these little rabbits that I made on a recent DIY. You can get a free printable PDF of those over on minnieandmoa.com, and you can also find those little tiny little envelopes as well. And I've popped this plate up here on the top of my window just to bring some kind of yellow to this window because I didn't really have anything to put on the bottom. And then my recent DIY, this little nest here, and robin. So a lot of the stuff I'm showing you here that I'm decorating this room with are DIY. So I will leave links down below if you haven't already seen them. You can check them out. Then across from the other window I've got this little cute vase with the bees on, and it's my squirrel, and I've popped another plate there. And then some nice twigs with some more bunnies and eggs on. That's really brightened this up. I've just popped a little bit greenery in there just to kind of tie in the middle section, and a little vintage tag down below there. So I did already have this kind of velvety soft mustard cushions on this display. They were just from IKEA a few years ago. But this row was, I've just bought this from Tesco for £9. So I just thought this was worth getting since I do like this mustard colour. And then on this window ledge just above where the dog is, I've just got one of my other jumping bunnies, which were from TK Maxx, and one of my linen covered bunnies.
Hey, good girl. I need to finish the video. You go and lie on the sofa. Well, you can lie in the video, but I need to finish it. Go and lie over here. Good girl. Okay? Yeah, in 2 minutes.
I just love the colour combination of this kind of dark wood old vintage basket and the mustard. The mustard was originally from my living room because my sofa's about that colour. So I nipped outside and just pulled off a couple of branches. A lot of the plants are just overgrown, so I just snapped a couple of branches off and I put them in a little glass jug here with a bit of water in, so hopefully those flowers will last a little bit longer. So this has literally cost me hardly anything really. I had a couple of the mustard bits already, but really it's just a really nice colour I think to fit in with neutrals. I'm quite surprised at how well it actually turned out. So it feels like it's just like added a bit of sunshine to the room. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed my just little mini kind of Easter spring deco and mini tour of our entry room. I'll leave you with our little pooch, Minnie. Oh, she's so cute. I feel really bad. Do you know, I feel just as bad taking her for her needles tomorrow morning as I did when the kids were little and I'd be taking them for their injections. Oh, how sweet does she look? It's been such a nice spring day today. We've just been all chilling. And even like the rabbits in the garden just lying around. And at one point this morning I let the dog out and she would usually run to the back of the garden, chase the rabbits off. But this morning she just went out and she just lay on the crash mat, which at the minute is lying on top of the little trampoline in the back garden. And the rabbits just stayed in the back garden and just like played. So here's a little clip, you might be able to see the rabbits in the back there. And the birds just carried on coming down, just doing their thing. Been such a nice relaxing day. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and help me reach 10,000 subscribers.
Come on then.
Don't forget to read the description box down below for links to everything that I've mentioned in this video and more information. So thank you and see you on Friday.